getting into today? I think my son's supposed to be coming over, and we may be hitting the Stuntlot up, so you may get to see a little two-wheel action today. I'll bust out my little 50 Elite Honda, old school, sort of. It's 94. But yeah, we'll just see what today unfolds. To tell me what you think about the Ford. Is it just a Ford? It's just what it does. It's the 94 Honda Elite 49cc. We'll go see what's going on at the lot. I just passed my son on the road. He's heading back to the house. I guess no one's at the stunt lot yet. So I'll probably head back to the house for a little bit. Man, check this old place out. Of course, there's a wiener up there on the top corner of the building. I can't even imagine what it looks like inside of that place. But y'all want me to go in there and check it out? If you want to see in there, let me know. I'll think about it. Pretty isolated. It's in the industrial part of South Kansas City. Yeah, I just hit my head on the garage door. That's fine. Probably just mildly concussed. So I figured I'd fuel up. I came back to the house and I'll meet them back at the lot. Man, there's an excessive funnel for this, but that's the first thing I could see. All right, see y'all in a bit. Stunt lot is over there. What is that? Stunt lot's happening. This is the first time I've been here when there's actually more than a few people. In the mix. He is in the mix.
That's gotta be sick.